Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying about articles. There are three types of articles: a, an, or the. A is basically used before a consonant, whereas an is used before a vowel, and the is used for anything which is specific. A and an, they are known as indefinite articles, whereas the is known as definite articles. So let's just begin with this. The title of our chapter is the articles, that is a, an or the, right? You have to write down the articles suitable for these nouns. जैसे कि द रामायण, देखिए ये specific है इसलिए द रामायण, right? A book, an honest man, right? You just read and understand few things. That is, Jay had a pet. Jay के पास एक pet है. Jyoti bought an egg. Jyoti एक egg लेकर आई है. The Himalayas, they are in the north of India. India के north में है the Himalayas, because it is specific, it is proper, right? So these a, an and the, they are articles. ये सब क्या है? Articles है. In fact, articles जो होते हैं, they are demonstrative adjectives and they are used with nouns. Demonstrative means किसी चीज को demonstrate करना, right? जैसे कि this, that, these, those. They all are demonstrative. And adjectives, we all know that qualifies the noun and pronoun, that tells the quality of a noun and a pronoun, जिसको हम विशेषण बोलते हैं. So kinds of articles पढ़ते हैं. There are two types of articles. First is indefinite articles, मतलब a and an. They are the indefinite articles, whereas definite articles में the आता है, right? Use of a or an. We use a before a word beginning with a consonant. जो consonant से begin हो रहा हो, जैसे कि a boy, a cat, a university, a man, a tiger, etc. Whereas an is used before a word beginning with a vowel, जैसे कि an owl, an orange, right? An apple, an hour, etc. There is a fact file that a और an का मतलब क्या होता है? सिर्फ one, and they are used for only one thing. एक चीज के लिए होते हैं, and they are called indefinite articles, और इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Indefinite. Whereas the is used for something which is particular, that is for the particular person as well as thing. That is why it is known as definite articles. So the is used before certain nouns. कुछ noun के पीछे use होते हैं, just learn them, right? We use the before the noun which stands for something particular person or thing. So the watch of Tom was stolen. Tom की watch खो चुकी है. It means particular watch की बात हो रही है, जैसे कोई भी normal watch की बात नहीं हो रही है, not any watch. The names of the river. River एक specific noun है, मतलब बोल सकते हैं आप ये proper noun है, इसलिए the गंगा, the गोदावरी, the सोने, the गंडक, the कोसी, द सतलज, एक्सेट्रा. सतलज रिवर कहाँ फ्लो करती है? इट फ्लोज इन, आई थिंक इट फ्लोज इन कश्मीर, राइट? द नेम ऑफ द रिलीजियस बुक्स, जैसे कि द रामायण, द बाइबल, द कुरान, द गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, द ज़ेन अवस्था, ऑल दीज आर प्रॉपर नाउन. द नेम्स ऑफ रेजिडेंस, जैसे कि द इंग्लिश, द इंडियन, द फ्रेंच, द जापानीज, एक्सेट्रा. द नेम्स ऑफ सम न्यूज़पेपर एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैगजीन, जैसे कि द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, the Pioneer, the Sari, Salil, etc., the Hindu, the Hindustan Times, right? Names of mountain, the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, etc., right? Then comes the name of historical monuments, जैसे कि the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Jantar Mantar, the Akshardham, the Gateway of India, the India Gate, right? The names of natural object, the sun, moon, star, etc., right? The names of the seas and ocean, जैसे Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Black Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean, etc. सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव से भी पहले, जैसे कि द मोस्ट रिचेस्ट, द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट, द मोस्ट, द रिचेस्ट, एक्सेट्रा. सो नो आर्टिकल इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर प्रॉपर मटेरियल एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन के पीछे कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं लगेगा. जैसे कि मेरठ इज अ बिग सिटी, दा नहीं लिख सकते हैं आप. क्लोथ्स आर मेड फ्रॉम कॉटन, कॉटन से पहले कभी भी आप ए एंड दा नहीं लगाएंगे. ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, पोवर्टी इज द कर्स टू ह्यूमन, right? There is a quick short recap that a or an or the, ये सब articles हैं, जिसके अंदर a और an indefinite articles है. The is a definite article, and articles basically they are used before nouns, right? Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be doing the correct options. So a is used before a word beginning with the sound of what? Beginning with the sound of consonant. And an is used before the word with the sound of vowel. You have to write down the suitable articles: a box, right? An apple, the earth, an ear, right? A tree, a leaf, the Shatabdi Express, the Indian Express, right? So that was all about articles. I hope you all understood. Please make sure that you will revise all the previous concepts. And apart from that, if you are reading from any source, if there are no ifs and buts, you have to read. Please make sure if you came across any other article, any article in between the sentence, please do write in your respective notebooks and do revise the previous concept and keep studying hard for our exam and stay blessed. Thank you.